Good morning. Okay, so here's how we are going to do the graphing the quadratic equation, setting the window, finding the vertex, and then actually graphing. So it sounds like a lot, and well, it is. So here is the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set the window. We're going to figure out the x minimum, which in this case looks like it's -3, and the x maximum, which looks like it is 10. And then the y minimum is down here, so there's -8, -10, -12, -13 is the y min. And then the y max is up here in the axis, so that is 0. Okay, so we're going to set our window, so make sure we can see it when we graph it. So we press the window, and we're going to enter our values. We'll start with -3 for the x min, then 10 for the x max, and then I see we're going to skip the x SEL. And the y min we already said was -13. The y max we say is 0. And now we can just hit the trace button because we want to try to see about where that vertex is. So we'll hit trace, and there's nothing there. Why is there nothing there? Because I forgot to enter the y equals. So go to y equals and enter the equation. So we entered -2x squared plus 16x minus 36. And now we should be able to see something when we hit trace. So let's double check. So -2x squared plus 16x minus 36. And remember, negative goes at the beginning, minus goes in the middle. Negative beginning, minus middle. Okay, so now we can trace. Yay, look, there it is. Okay, so now we can trace. We can move to the left or right until that blinking dot is at the center. So we're moving. There it is. Okay, so I see 3.9 and -4, so that looks to me like it's going to be about -4. So let's find out. So we go to the table, second table. Again, the table is second table. And I'm going to find where -4 -4 is. So 4, okay, so 4 -4 is right here. So we need that's the vertex, and then we need the point above it, 3 -6, the vertex 4 -4, and the point below 5 -6. So we're going to write all those down. So we've got 3 -6, 4 -4, and 5 -6. Hopefully we're starting to see a pattern that these 3 numbers are right in a row, and these 2 numbers are identical if we did it right. So now we plot them. 3 -6, 1, 2, 3, down 6. Right 4, down 4, right 4, down 4, and then 5 -6, right 5, and down 6. And then we're going to we want to curve this as much as we can. So it's kind of hard to do when it's really close to each other, but make every effort to make that as curved as you can, and then just extend down. Curve, extend. Okay, we're not grading us on the perfect curve here. All right, so that took us about 4.5 minutes to do 25. Let's see if we can do 26 a little bit faster. Okay, so again, window, y equals, trace, table. All right, so window for number 26, I see 4x squared plus 8x. So my window is going to be -14 and 4. So window, x min is -14, the x max is 4. The y min down here is -4. And the y max is 12. Okay, so that's the window. Y equals, and we're going to enter 4x squared plus 8x. And then we're going to trace. And we're going to look for where we see the vertex, and it's going to be right in the middle, so it's kind of hard to see because it's got that 66 over the middle of it. But one thing you can do is you can look at the y value and see that it's getting bigger or getting smaller. So there's the blinking. Okay, so -2, and it looks like -1, -4 maybe. -1, -4. So let's go to the table, and we're going to look for where we see. Yep. So there's -1, -4, and there's the point above it and the point below it, and these two are the same. So we've got -2, 0. We've got -1, -4, and we've got 0, 0. So -2, 0, -1 is right in the middle here, -4, and 0, 0, and this is a really narrow one. So then we graph, remember, try to make it as curved as you can, and up, and up. And if we want to see, kind of looks the same. Okay, so hey, we did that one in about 2.5 minutes, so good job, Mr. Ellis. Or maybe 1.5 minutes. I don't even know. It's math. All right, good luck, and you're going to watch these a few times, and you're going to do the math, and you're going to get really fast at this, just like me. Good luck.